Let us see about the regional pairs. So in regional pairs, each Azure region is going to pair up with another region within the same geographical. If you consider United States, what are the regions that are available, and they are going to pair the nearby regions. So with this approach, you are going to allow a replication of resource such as VM storage. So even when you have a multiple copies, right, like in United States itself, you have a imagine you have a two regions paired together. When one region get down, you will get that storage from a other. So this is like a replication of a copy or a replication of resource. It may be a storage, it may be a some other VM or something. So like that, you are going to have an advantage with the regional pairs. So the most advantage with regional pairs are like whenever there is natural disasters. So if you see here, the one region is paired with another region, it is called as a regional pair. So if you scroll down, you can see that in Asia, East Asia is paired with the Southeast Asia. So like that, you can have a list of view here. And if you scroll down, you can see all the countries. Like in India, Central India is going to have a pair with the South India. Like that, West India is going to pair up with the South India. If you see North America, East US is paired with the West US. So this is a list of regional pairs that are available. You can see all over them. So this is the advantage what we spoke earlier. So when you have a VM here, you will have a same sort of replica here. Like that, you will have a storage or like this. So you can go through this diagram, then you will understand. So you will have a disaster management or any sort of physical outage. All those are going to be resolved by using regional pairs.